Coming over to the top of your head, you're going to be mindful to find the placement of your head to be safe. Again, you can start with a half knee tuck if you're there and working it closer. So most of the time people are about right here. What you want to do is try to get your knees closer to your chest plate and to your back, rounding. Now you're going to say that, oh my gosh, that's really pulling on my neck. Well, it will kind of have an intensity in the beginning. As you bring yourself to practice a little bit more, this will start to soften, become more subtle and more attainable to get into. So again, you want to practice tipping over so that you feel that, and tipping back. I'm going on the tiptoe and I'm going on the ball of the toe. I'm going on the tiptoe and I'm going on the ball of the toe. I'm going on the tiptoe and going on to the ball of your toe. Now, when we go on the tiptoe on this one, you're going to bring up, stay on the tiptoe on the left side and really activate the feet banda. Remember, there's energy there. Change sides, and then again, change sides. Tip your butt a little bit more towards the other side, so don't be afraid. Tip the butt and release. Beautiful. Now we're going to try to come up 1 feet and follow it and hold it. 1. Stay snug. The more you're snug to your body and not here. If you're here, the tendency is too much weight on your neck and your shoulder. If you're here, you're cradling yourself, you're hugging yourself, so it's a lot softer and more doable. So again, one more time, picking it up, hold it, snug. You can lift it up slowly. When you lift, don't pull away. Lift from here and stay connected, connected, connected to lift up to the top. Breathing. Breath. Continue breathing. When you're coming down, don't just stay here. Instead, bring it inward towards your body, so then again, it comes back to the front. One more time. Coming up, ready, let's practice. 1 and tip. 2 and tip. 3 and tip. 4 and tip. You can do it. 5 and let go. Always come to child's pose. Don't take the head off the floor. Stay and remain down. Next set. Come back to the top of your head. We're working a little bit hard today. It's good to do that. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday off. Sunday back on the mat. Now, here we go. Tip, lift up, 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 and rest for a second. And again, roll it down. Part 3, here we go. Head back. Mindful breathing now. Ready? We're going to go up with straight leg here. So here we go. Bent knees. Lift up. Now lift, lift, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and curl. Ready? Second set. Lift. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this part is going to one day help you strengthen here. So that's why I want you to learn to hold here and then down. One more. Third set. Ready? Up to 3. Lift up and then up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Talking upside down. So that means I'm breathing right. And again, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and curl and rest. Head down. Ooh, we did it. I hope you're doing good. Okay, well now we're going to go with straight legs. So that's one way that you can practice working You can also do the one leg at a time. If those of you need help and you need to only come up with one leg, what you can do is curl one and follow it with the other. Point first, don't just start shooting the other leg up. Follow it gracefully with the other. That way, you can now start working and even alternate and bicycle up there. And again, mindful breathing. And again, mindful breathing. Sometimes you're here, don't arch too much. You don't want to arch, you want to stay center. And again,